welcome back to my channel. So guys, thank you for joining me today. So guys, you probably would be wondering, you never read for an exam? I never did. Did you pass? Yes, I did. I did. And I passed very well. So guys, if you're new here, please take this time out to subscribe and we'll be back. So welcome back guys. Yes, I never read for an exam. And yes, I did pass. I was passing. I passed. And I continue to hit a 5.0. So, a lot of you will probably be wondering how I made it happen since I never read for an exam. Okay, hold up. So guys, I'm not a fan of reading during exam period. I don't like it because I feel it's too much work to read during exam period. So this was usually what I did. Now, I resumed school when the school has asked us to resume. I get back to school that exact date, sometimes before the resumption date. Now, I wait for the department to release its timetable. When the department has released regular class timetables, immediately that same day, I make my own reading timetable. Now, my reading timetable was not just filled up with time to read in the morning, time to read at night, time to read in the afternoon, and all that. Yeah, it had all that. But, this girl here is a lover of movies. So guys, I made my own timetable. Now my timetable was not just filled up with the times I needed to read and all that. Yeah, I had time. There were some times I allocated for reading, some I allocated for visiting friends, some I allocated for different things I had myself engaged in, so as not to choke myself off. So I start as early as 4:30 in the morning to read. So I wake up by 4:30. Sometimes then I have my regular devotions and all that. Then I start reading from that 4:30 till at about 6:30 in the morning. I prepare for the class and all that. Now I have also time allocated by afternoon, sometimes from 12, sometimes from 2. Sometimes I read from that time till at about 4, at about 6, and then I get back to the hostel and then I read again from at about 9, sometimes 8 till 10, 11. And I do that like every single day from when the timetable was released, the regular class timetable was released. Now I do that. I read from that day till up to when exam is about to start. So sometimes even before my class begins, I'm already done with reading an entire course. Like I've finished reading every single topic on the course outline. Sometimes before classes begin for a particular course, I'm done with that course. I finished reading every single thing. What usually helped me was that I regularly got previous notes from my senior colleagues. I got past questions from them. So sometimes before we resume classes, I'm already done with some courses. I'm done reading them. I'm done attempting the past questions. And I just go to class because I want to go to class. And because I have to go to class, I go to class. I'm active in class. I'm able to respond to some questions, participate in class because I'm already done with reading the entire coursework. So I did this like throughout my stay in school. I did this like every single semester. I did this every single semester. I have past questions, I have previous notes. I read before the classes begin, and voila, when it's time for exam, when other people are trying to read up every single thing about the courses, respond to attempt past questions and things like that, your girl here is busy seeing a movie. I watch movies a lot. Like I love seeing movies. And now sometimes I have some of my classmates who have already booked me for tutorials or revisions. And when they come to my room and they're like, girl, it's exam and you're watching a movie? I'm like, yeah, yes, I'm watching it. I can't keep myself. Like, I'm like, I can't keep myself. I've already read. So I can't keep myself. The most I did was to open my book a night to the exam and then just, skim through it. The next morning to just skim through it and I'm good to go. And I'm good to go. So, guys, the thing is, a lot of times we will have students who do not get to read and prepare ahead of time. When you see 2 weeks to exam, that's when you see them jam packing, trying to read everything, they are all trying to congest themselves like sardine in the library and all that, reading rooms and all that. It does not work that way. Like, it does not work that way. There's no one that has followed that pattern that made a good result. You only read when it's 1 week to the exam or 2 weeks to the exam. That's why you see, like, most A students, they don't have time for 1 week to exam or 2 weeks to exam. And that's why you see them when it's time for exam, they are busy playing. That's because they've prepared ahead of time. They don't have the strength, to the energy to be running from pillar to post during exam period. Exam period, they are relaxed. It's as if they are going for normal classes. Like, they just go to the exam hall, write, and they're out. And other students will be, wow, are you not scared? Like, don't you think the exam? No, babe. No, dude. They've already prepared. What's there to be scared of again? They've already prepared. They are ready. So, guys, see, if you want to make a good result, if you want to be an A student, you can't be a last minute man. You can't be a last minute woman. It does not work that way. You have to prepare ahead of time. You have to have yourself prepared ahead of time. So most times, as a student, people come to my room and they're like, girl, you're watching a movie. Like, you're gisting with your friends, you're gisting with your roommate. And I'm like, yes, it's an exam. It's not like the whole world is going to fall. It's an exam. And of course, I've been preparing. So it's just like a regular class, just like a normal class. I'm just going to attend a class and then I'm out. So, guys, this was what I did throughout my years in school, and it paid off. Like, I never had the time to be running from pillar to post, struggling, looking for what to read, trying to, read everything within a short period. Like, who does that? Like, who does that? I can remember in my 200 level, in my second year, I offered 14 courses. Like 14. 1, 2, 10 plus 14 courses. So I offered 14 courses. Am I supposed to read that within 2 weeks or 1 week to exam? It's not possible. It's not possible. So, guys, this was what I did. Anytime the school has asked us to resume, I resume that day. I resume. I wait for the timetables to be out. Immediately it is out, I launch my own personal reading timetable. But, guys, my own personal reading timetable, I didn't forget my movies. So, guys, this was what I did. And that was why I never read for an exam. Because from the beginning, I started reading. Immediately the school resumes. Immediately the semesters are officially on. Immediately the timetables are out. My timetable is out. My reading timetable, and I'm already reading. So that was the reason I never read for an exam. And I passed. Yeah, 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 yeah. So, guys, that's it. How I never read for an exam. I think this would help you. If you try and adopt it, it would help you. Because sometimes I find some students, you are in school for an entire semester. You never opened your book. Never. And just a week or 2 weeks to an exam, you want to read every single thing and expect to pass like someone who has been reading from day one. It's not possible. So, guys, if you try this, I believe it will be very helpful to you. So, you wanted to know how I never read for an exam? Voila! So So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. Like this video, please. Thank you guys for watching.